5 powerful plant-based proteins for arthritis relief. Are your joints constantly aching? Do you wake up feeling stiff and sore, as if your body is aging faster than your mind? What if I told you that relief could be as simple as changing what's on your plate? Yes, what you eat can have a powerful impact on how your joints feel. And today, we're diving into 5 of the most effective plant-based proteins that not only support overall health, but may actually help reduce arthritis pain and inflammation. These aren't just any proteins. These are nutritional powerhouses that fuel your body while calming down the fire within your joints. Stick around, because number 1 on this list might completely change the way you think about protein. Over 350 million people worldwide suffer from arthritis. It's not just a disease of old age. It affects children, adults, athletes, and everyone in between. The daily pain, stiffness, swelling, and fatigue can drain your energy and limit your quality of life. While conventional medicine often focuses on pain management with medications, we now know that nutrition plays a major role in controlling inflammation, the root cause of most arthritis-related symptoms. And here's the good news. Plant-based diets are packed with natural anti-inflammatory compounds, vitamins, and minerals that can help. But what about protein? Many people worry that plant-based diets don't offer enough protein, especially if you're dealing with muscle loss, joint repair, or inflammation. That's a myth. There are many high-quality plant proteins that not only provide all the essential amino acids your body needs, but also come with added joint-friendly benefits. Today, we're looking at the top 5 plant-based proteins for arthritis relief that are backed by science and loved by nutritionists. Let's dive in. Number 5, lentils. Lentils are one of the most affordable and accessible plant-based proteins on the planet. But don't let their humble appearance fool you. These small legumes are rich in protein, 18 genes per cooked cup, fiber, 16 genes per cup, iron, magnesium, and folate, antioxidants, and polyphenols. Why are they great for arthritis? Lentils contain polyphenols, which have strong anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, 2 major contributors to joint pain and cartilage breakdown. Also, the high fiber content in lentils supports gut health. Why is that important? Because a healthy gut can reduce systemic inflammation. Studies show that a balanced gut microbiome helps regulate the immune system, which is crucial for autoimmune-related arthritis, like rheumatoid arthritis. How to enjoy them? Add lentils to soups, stews, curries, salads, or make lentil patties. They absorb flavor beautifully and make for a hearty, satisfying meal. Quick tip: add turmeric, black pepper, and a splash of lemon juice to your lentils for an added anti-inflammatory punch. Caution: people with gout or a history of uric acid buildup should consume lentils in moderation, as they contain purines which may trigger flare-ups in sensitive individuals. Number 4, chickpeas. Garbanzo beans. Chickpeas are creamy, versatile, and loaded with nutrients. 15 grams of protein per cooked cup, high in magnesium, zinc, and vitamin B6. Rich in resistant starch and soluble fiber. Why chickpeas for arthritis? Magnesium and zinc are essential minerals that help reduce joint stiffness and support bone density. In fact, magnesium plays a role in over 300 enzymatic processes in the body, many of which are linked to muscle and joint health. Chickpeas also contain saponins, which are natural plant compounds known to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. And the resistant starch in chickpeas acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut, which in turn may lower inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, CRP. How to enjoy them? Make hummus, roast them with olive oil and spices, add them to salads, or make chickpea curry. You can even mash them into veggie burgers. Did you know? Hummus paired with carrots or cucumber makes a joint-healthy snack full of antioxidants and fiber. Caution: canned chickpeas can be high in sodium. Rinse them thoroughly or opt for dried versions cooked at home to avoid excess salt. Number 3, quinoa. Quinoa isn't just a trendy grain, it's actually a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids. 8 grams of protein per cooked cup. high in manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus, gluten-free and low glycemic. Why quinoa for arthritis? Quinoa contains flavonoids like quercetin and camphorol, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in chronic diseases, including arthritis. Its naturally gluten-free nature also makes it ideal for those with gluten sensitivity or autoimmune arthritis, where gluten may trigger flares. Quinoa also supports collagen synthesis due to its manganese and phosphorus content, helping to protect cartilage and connective tissues around joints. How to enjoy it? Use quinoa as a base for salads, add it to soups, or make quinoa bowls with sautéed vegetables and a tahini dressing. Bonus tip: quinoa porridge with almond milk, chia seeds, and berries makes a powerful anti-inflammatory breakfast. Caution: although rare, some people may experience stomach upset from saponins on unwashed quinoa. Always rinse quinoa thoroughly before cooking. Number 2. Hemp seeds. Tiny seeds, massive benefits. Hemp seeds are 10 grams of protein per 3 tablespoons, rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, a source of gamma-linolenic acid, GLA. Why hemp seeds for arthritis? Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial in reducing joint inflammation. They help lower levels of inflammatory cytokines in the body. But the real hero here is GLA, a rare fatty acid that studies show may reduce symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, including joint pain and morning stiffness. Hemp seeds are also incredibly digestible, meaning their nutrients are easily absorbed by the body, a key benefit when dealing with inflammation-related digestive issues. How to enjoy them? Sprinkle hemp seeds over salads, smoothies, or yogurt. Mix them into oatmeal or blend them into hemp seed milk. Pro tip: for best results, combine hemp seeds with turmeric and a healthy fat like olive oil for maximum anti-inflammatory synergy. Caution: hemp seeds are high in calories and fat. If you're watching your weight or on a low-fat diet, portion control is key. Number 1. Spirulina. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that has been around for billions of years, and it's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. Up to 70% protein by dry weight, contains B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and calcium, rich in phycocyanin, a powerful anti-inflammatory antioxidant. Why spirulina for arthritis? Phycocyanin is the real superstar here. It has been shown to inhibit inflammatory signaling pathways in the body and protect tissues from oxidative damage. This is crucial for people with arthritis, especially those dealing with joint degradation or autoimmune inflammation. In one study, spirulina supplementation helped reduce symptoms in patients with osteoarthritis by improving joint flexibility and lowering pain scores. How to enjoy it? Start with half a teaspoon of spirulina powder in smoothies, juices, or energy balls. The taste is strong, so pair it with citrus, pineapple, or mint to mellow the flavor. Note: always buy from reputable sources to avoid contamination with heavy metals. Caution: spirulina is not recommended for individuals with phenylketonuria, PKU, or autoimmune conditions without professional guidance. Did you know that combining certain plant proteins can provide a more complete amino acid profile and enhance their anti-inflammatory benefits? Here are 3 arthritis-friendly combos. 1. Brown rice plus lentils. Together they form a complete protein rich in lysine and methionine. 2. Chickpeas plus sesame, tahini. Found in humus, this combo offers joint-loving minerals and healthy fats. 3. Hemp seeds plus chia seeds plus spirulina, a protein-packed trio loaded with omega-3s, antioxidants, and fiber. Add in anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric, cumin, ginger, garlic, and black pepper to further boost healing effects. Avoid processed plant proteins full of additives and sodium. Aim for variety. Don't rely on just one source of protein. Stay hydrated. It helps flush toxins and keeps joints lubricated. Move daily. Even gentle stretching improves circulation and joint flexibility. Consider working with a nutritionist if you have allergies, gut issues, or are transitioning to a plant-based diet. Arthritis doesn't have to control your life. These 5 powerful plant-based proteins can nourish your body from the inside out, while actively working to reduce inflammation, stiffness, and pain. So which one are you going to try first? Will it be quinoa, maybe spirulina in your morning smoothie? Let me know in the comments. And if this video brought you value, tap that like button, share it with a friend who's dealing with joint pain, and subscribe for more natural health tips every week. Your body can heal. Sometimes all it needs is the right food. Stay strong, stay informed, and keep moving forward.